Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. Like the Durga Puja itself, the immersion ceremony of Ma Durga will also be a low-key affair in the twin cities of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar Tuesday. The Commissionerate Police have made proper arrangements for the immersion ceremony in view of containing the spread of the disease. No people will be allowed to attend the immersion ceremony of Ma Durga this year. Keeping in view the Gosani Yatra in Puri Tuesday, the district administration has clamped section 144 around Sri Jagannath temple and on the road from Marichkot Square to Singhadwara. The prohibitory order promulgated for the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic period will be in force from 10 am till midnight. Odisha reported 1,247 new cases of COVID-19 infections in the state in the last 24 hours, the state INPR department said in a tweet Tuesday. Out of the new positive cases, 729 persons were in quarantine centers, while 518 persons contracted the virus locally. Consumption of spurious liquor claimed 3 lives and has made 3 others sick at Patharagada village under Purnakot police limits in Anugul district. The deceased have been identified as Kaira Pradhan, Tukuna Pradhan and Sashi Bhushan Dehuri, who died between Sunday evening and Monday afternoon. Vasant Dehuri, Rohan Pradhan and Sushant Dehuri were admitted to Anugul district headquarters hospital DHH here Tuesday morning. The deceased and seriously ill youths were engaged in a house constructions work Saturday. Residents of Bailo village under Atagad police limits in Cuttack district have been spending sleepless nights as they have to patrol throughout the night to avoid thefts and robberies in the village. According to villagers, they have been undertaking community patrolling for the last 1 week and rising theft and robberies which have gone up in the area in last 1 month. A Delhi Sessions Court has dismissed a bail application of Jamia Millia Islamia student Asif Iqbal Tanha, who was arrested under the UAPA on charge of hatching a conspiracy to organize the riots in northeast Delhi in February. His counsel told the court that the applicant had not indulged in any conduct or offence punishable under the Stringent Unlawful Activities Act, while the prosecution claimed that the UAPA provision were applicable and that a prima facie case was made out against him. Recently, a person called Snehal asked Sonu's help for the treatment of his ailing child on Twitter, to which he offered his help. A person has alleged Sonu of running a PR stunt to build his reputation, as the above mentioned Snehal's account doesn't seem to be a real account, said the person. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for all the latest updates.